How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to prepare prawn biryani. Before going for the preparation, let's see few health benefits of prawn. First point, prawns are a rich source of selenium, one of the most effective antioxidant of maintaining healthy cells. Second point, they contain high levels of zinc, which is important to develop a healthy immune system. Third point, eating prawns helps build strong bones because they contain phosphorus, copper and magnesium. Fourth point, prawns contains vitamin A, E, B12, B6, potassium, phosphorus and calcium. Fifth point, they are also rich in source of iron. Sixth point, loaded with protein. Seventh point, low in fat. Eighth point, low in calories. Ninth point, rich in omega 3 fatty acid, which is very good for our heart health. 10th point, help for weight loss. Now let's start the preparation. I have taken half kg of prawn which is properly cleaned and washed. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, little salt and mixing it. After mixing it, I am going to fry it with oil. Now I mixed everything. Now let's fry these prawns. Switch on the stove. I am keeping the tawa. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil into the tawa. Let the tawa gets heat. Now adding the prawns into tawa. Both the side we have to fry it well. After that I am going to prepare the biryani. Keep your stove in high flame because the prawns will leave lot of water, so we have to fry it well. Now this is one side almost done. Now I will see like this, both the side you have to fry it. After frying both the side, I will remove it from this tawa, then I will keep it aside. Both the side you should fry well. The prawn should fry both the side well. See how I am doing it, the same way you have to do it. Within 5 minutes this can be done it. Now I am taking it. This is ready now. So I am taking into a plate. I am switching on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. And 2 tablespoons of ghee. Don't over add the oil and ghee, which will spoil your biryani, so don't over add. 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee is enough for the quantity what I am making it. I have taken 1.5 glass of jeera rice and soaked into a water 20 minutes before. So now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 2 elachi, 2 cloves. This all the spices I am adding to the oil. Three onions, little coriander, little mint, 3 green chilies, 3 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding 3 soaked onions. Let the onions turn into a brown color. This should turn into the onion should turn into the brown color, otherwise the biryani won't be good. Whatever biryani we prepare, the onion should turn into brown color. So keep your stove in a high flame so that this onion cook very well. Now I am going to add ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Let the raw smell goes away. This will take little time to cook, but have patience to prepare it. Now I am adding tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, 3 tomatoes. Keep your stove in high flame. Mix it well. Let the onion and tomatoes should become paste. Adding little cashew nuts, which will give the very good taste to your biryani. Mix it well. You keep on stirring the masalas, otherwise this will burn, because we have kept the stove in high flame. In this stage I am adding 3 green chilies. Onion and tomato should become like a paste. Now I am keeping the stove in sim. I'll add the masala. Turmeric powder, chili powder, two and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Adding it. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. I am mixing everything. Let it cook for some time. Adding half lemon into that. Don't skip the lemon, because that will give the very good taste for the biryani. So add half lemon, which will give the good taste for the biryani. Adding little coriander leaves and little mint leaves, which will give the very good flavor to the biryani. Mix it well. Now I am adding the water. 1.5 glass rice I have taken. So I am adding 3 glass of water. Three glass of water adding, and salt to taste. Mix it well and check the salt. This water should be little salty, not more, because this will be going to cook with the rice. When it's boiled with the rice, the water should be little salty. Adding the rice. 1.5 glass of jeera rice I soaked in the water for 20 minutes. That I am adding it. Now I am checking the salt. This would be little salty, not more. Now once it started boiling like this, I am going to close with the lid and I am adding the fried prawns. Mix it everything. Now I am checking the salt. So this water should be little salty, not more. Once it start boiling, what I will do, I will close with the lid. Then I will put the stove in complete sim. After 15 minutes, I will switch off the stove. Now now this has started boiling. Once it start boiling like this, I am closing with the lid. Put the stove in the sim, complete sim. Put the weight. After 15 minutes, once the streams everything gets down, then I will open. I am opening now. See, it's ready now. It's very simple and easy. We can make it at home. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.